हेलो एवरीवन मु शरद प्रधान नर्सिंग एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल आपण मानक स्वागत। आज पढ़ा ऑब्स्टेट्रिक एंड गायनेकोलॉजी 20 इंपोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। स्टार्ट करने पूर्व समस्त लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु। आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन टी होची ब्रेस्ट इज कंपोज ऑफ ऑप्शन ए ग्रैंडुलर टिश्यू ओनली, ऑप्शन बी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ओनली, ऑप्शन सी connective and fatty tissue, option D glandular and fatty tissue. Correct answer is option D glandular and fatty tissue. Next question. At term uterus weight is option A 200 to 300 gram, option B 400 to 500 gram, option C 600 to 700 gram, option D 900 to 1000 gram. Correct answer is option D 900 to 1000 gram. Next question. After ovulation, corpus luteum formed in the ovary releases. After ovulation, corpus luteum formed in the ovary releases. Option A testosterone, option B aldosterone, option C progesterone, option D estrogen. Correct answer is option C progesterone. Next question. Time of ovulation corresponds to option A oxytocin level is high, option B blood level of LH is high, option C progesterone level is high, option D endometrial wall is split off. Correct answer is option B blood level of LH is high. Next question. Implantation occurs on option A 3rd day after fertilization, option B 5th day after fertilization, option C 6th day after fertilization, option D 12th day after fertilization. Correct answer is option C 6th day after fertilization. Next question. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the placenta through the process of oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the placenta through the process of option A pinocytosis, option B diffusion, option C accelerated diffusion, option D active transport. Correct answer is option B diffusion. Next question. The average age of puberty in girls is option A 9 to 10 years, option B 10 to 12 years, option C 10 to 14 years, option D 14 to 16 years. Correct answer is option C 10 to 14 years. Next question. Labor takes place after day of last menstrual period. Option A 260, option B 270, option C 250, option D 280. Correct answer is option D 280. Next question. Inspections of the uterine cavity by endoscopy with access through the cervix is known as. Inspections of the uterine cavity by endoscopy with access through the cervix is known as option A hysteroscopy, option B salpingoscopy, option C salpingogram, option D hysterosalpingography. Correct answer is option A hysteroscopy. Next question. Specific manifestation in menopause is. Specific manifestation in menopause is option A hot flashes, option B hypertension, option C hypothermia, option D anorexia. Correct answer is option A hot flashes. Next question. Pelvis is composed of option A innominate bone, option B sacrum, option C coccyx, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Suboccipitobregmatic diameter measures about. Suboccipitobregmatic diameter measures about option A 9.5 cm, option B 10 cm, option C 11.5 cm, option D 14 cm. Correct answer is option A 9.5 cm. Next question. Oxygenated blood from placenta goes to fetal heart where? Oxygenated blood from placenta goes to fetal heart where? Option A ductus arteriosus, option B ductus venosus, option C foramen ovale, option D umbilical artery. Correct answer is option B ductus venosus. Next question. At 8 week of gestation, the uterus looks like. At 8 week of gestation, the uterus looks like. Option A, small unwrapped ear. Option B, large orange. Option C, size of grapefruit. Option D, golf ball. Correct answer is option B, large orange. Next question. Purple blue thing of cervix is. Option A, Hagar sign. Option B, Godel sign. Option C, Chadwick sign. Option D, MC Dolan sign. Correct answer is option C, Chadwick sign. Next question. Quickening occurs at option A 8 to 10 weeks, option B 16 to 20 weeks, option C 12 to 16 weeks, option D 20 to 24 weeks. Correct answer is option B 16 to 20 weeks. Next question. Formula used for calculating expected date of delivery EDD. Formula used for calculating expected date of delivery EDD is option A Johnson formula, option B Shepard formula, option C Hadlock formula, option D Nagel's formula. Correct answer is option D Nagel's formula. Next question. Positive sign of pregnancy is option A Cullen's sign, option B Hagar sign, option C fetal movement, option D morning sickness. Correct answer is option C fetal movement. Next question. At 12th week of gestation, amniotic fluid measures about. At 12 weeks of gestation, amniotic fluid measures about option A 40 ml, option B 50 ml, option C 60 ml, option D 70 ml. Correct answer is option B 50 ml. Next question. Synonyms of obstetric drapage. Synonyms of obstetric drapage. Option A. Leopold's maneuver. Option B. Fundal grape. Option C. Umbilical grape. Option D. Pauli grape. The right answer is option A. Leopold maneuver. Thank you.